In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and organize a personal project in Asana. We'll move from a blank slate to a simple, reliable system you can use every day. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to asana.com. Click Login and sign into your account. Once you're on the Asana homepage, you should see your sidebar and a clean workspace ready to go. Using Chrome helps keep things fast and stable, and if you're signed into Chrome, your session will stay synced across devices. Next, create a dedicated personal project. Look for the Create or Plus button, choose Project, and start with a blank project so it's focused on your needs. Name it something clear, like Personal Tasks, and set it to private if you want it just for you. Choose List as your layout to begin. It's great for quick entry and easy scanning. You can always switch views later without losing anything. Now add the tasks that matter in your day-to-day life. Errands, goals, and habits. Click Add Task and write a short action-based title like Pick up dry cleaning, Plan weekly meals, or Meditate for 10 minutes. Keep titles clear and consistent so you know exactly what to do at a glance. If a task needs more context, open it and add notes or links in the description so everything lives in one place. To stay organized, assign due dates, reminders, and tags. Inside each task, pick a due date that's realistic. Adding a time can help you plan your day more precisely. Asana will notify you as deadlines approach, and you'll see upcoming items in your inbox, which works as a built-in reminder system. Use tags to group tasks across categories like errands, health, or finance. Keep your tag list short and consistent to avoid clutter, and consider color coding to make scanning faster. To track progress over time, switch between calendar and list views. In List View, sort by due date to see what's most urgent, or filter by tag to focus on one area at a time. In Calendar View, you'll see your week or month laid out visually, and you can drag tasks to new dates if plans change. This flexibility helps you balance priorities without losing momentum. That's it. Log in with Chrome, create your personal project, add the tasks that matter, organize them with due dates, reminders, and tags, and track everything in Calendar or List View. Keep it simple, check in daily, and let Asana do the heavy lifting so you can stay consistent and stress-free.